Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi. In today's video, I'm reviewing the Melanin Hair Care new shampoo that Whitney Natural 85 just dropped. I believe like a week or 2 weeks ago. I don't know. My product just came in the mail yesterday and I am hype. But I'm only reviewing the shampoo today because I reviewed everything else from her collection besides the oil recently, like when it dropped, right? So I will leave up above my head some videos you can check out of me reviewing her collection. I reviewed the twist elongating butter first, and then I reviewed the conditioner she came out with a few months ago as well, and now we're here again for the shampoo. I also did a comparison video of that butter with my favorite butters, so I will leave that video as always up in the card section. I also got 2 of the shampoos, one to do a giveaway because I really truly appreciate you guys and all the love and support that you've shown my channel recently. We are almost at 50K, so if you are new here, this is your first video of mine, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and also enter the giveaway because since you're here too, you're good. We're So I'm gonna have information for the giveaway at the end of the video. I'm giving away to you guys one of the shampoos that she just dropped. Because even though I haven't tried it yet, it's gonna be bomb because I have not been disappointed thus far with what she's launched. So let's just dive right in. The shampoo is hefty, y'all, okay? Let you look close up. This thing is hefty. This thing is thick. It's a thick bottle. And honestly and truly, that's the one thing about her stuff that I like. They're very large sized bottles and jars and containers. So truthfully speaking, you're gonna get more than your money's worth compared to other products on the market. So she also sent a little infographic card thing with the shampoo. So I'm gonna read a little something to y'all, okay, to give you some info, some insight on the product. Is the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo with no silicones, no parabens, sulfates, phthalates, petroleum, mineral oil. All of that is not in here, okay? It's nowhere to be found in this product. Hello packaging, like for real. This is so cute. Luxurious instant lather, rich, lush formula. It has black cumin seed oil, turmeric root extract, charcoal to soothe, condition, and revive the scalp. It helps to increase hair growth and reduce hair fall. It has provitamin B5, shea butter, argan, tea tree, lavender, rosemary, peppermint. I mean, come on, like, the thing about these products are that they have these claims and you can tell when you use them, the quality is there. The quality is there. If you already don't know how I feel about their products, the quality is there. You can tell that they actually are moisturizing and good for your hair. So I'm actually really hyped to try this. I'm not gonna talk you guys' head off anymore. Let's just test it out. Look at my hair. Like we are dry. We are dry and we need some TLC, so we're here for that, okay? I'm gonna hop in the shower, wet my head up, and begin the shampoo process. You're gonna get like a real live reaction and all of that. So my hair is soaking wet and ready to be cleansed. The first few ingredients are water, desylglucoside, shea butter, sodium cocaate, sodium palm, kernelate, glycerin, cocoa seed butter, peppermint oil, provitamin B5, lavender oil, and the list goes on. So as you guys can actually hear already, the ingredients, yes, we're here for it. It smells like mint and lavender almost equally. I like this. It smells very earthy and it has a little nozzle as you guys saw. Okay, so she is thick. I thought that she would be more on the watery side because of the nozzle, but she is on the thicker side. You see that? If you like lavender and mint and like an earthy scent, you'll like this. As I'm rubbing it together, it's lathering up. Yes! Move this towel off because now the dripping has stopped. listen, I promise y'all, I'm not gassing it. But I knew, because she really gives us quality and she gives us ingredients. All right, let me go ahead and actually apply it to my roots. The nozzle makes it so easy to do that. So I want to apply it to my roots and keep on shampooing. So I'll be back when I finish the process. Hair is cleansed, hair is rinsed, ready for conditioning and styling and all of that. But let's talk about my feelings and this shampoo overall, okay? So in case anybody was wondering, thinking, concerned, question, this shampoo is not a moisturizing shampoo. It's not labeled as such either, and your hair is going to feel clean. And when I say clean, I mean like squeaky clean, okay? But not stripped, which is interesting because I don't think I've ever tried a shampoo that was super cleansing but not stripping. But I think that the oils and the shea butter in this product help it not to make your hair feel like it's dying and in desperate need of moisture. It just feels very, very clean. And my hair probably looks pretty good. Like, it looks bouncy, it feels bouncy, it looks good. Like, it doesn't feel bad in any way, shape, or form, which I find very interesting. So again, it's very cleansing, extremely cleansing, but my hair does not feel stripped, which I think is something to note if anybody wanted to know. As I was working it into my strands, the scent definitely gives me like homemade vibes. It smells like natural oils. It smells very earthy. If that's your thing, you're gonna love it. If you like more fragrancy, more like fake fragrance or more soft fragrance, this may not work for you. It just depends on your preference, but it definitely gives me a very earthy vibe, like mint, lavender, natural smells. The texture is quite thick. It's not like super thick, but I think for a shampoo it's on the thicker side. I actually really like the nozzle to apply the product directly to my scalp. When you have a thicker type of shampoo, it can be hard to reach your scalp and truly get in there, and I feel like the nozzle makes it obviously very easy to reach your scalp. So all in all, I had a very good experience with the shampoo. It feels like a cleansing shampoo. I can't really go deep into all the other properties in terms of like making your hair grow over time or helping with shedding or anything like that, because obviously that requires more than one use. But upon first use, I really do like the shampoo. I have had a positive experience with everything I've tried from her collection, for the most part, definitely. What I'm feeling with my hair right now is it's going to absorb the conditioner very nicely. It feels like it's ready to be moisturized. So I'm not gonna use her conditioner because that product to me is best used on my hair type as a leave-in as opposed to a rinse out conditioner. But I'm going to just finish my hair routine and prepare it for the week like I always do. If you want to see my 1 hour wash day routine, I will also leave it up in the cards above my head, and you'll see kind of like my routine and how I go through my wash day. Video done, video lock off. All in all, I would say try this out. I do feel like it's a quality product. The ingredients are great. It feels great. If you are more into moisture when it comes to your shampoos, this isn't going to give you that. But I do think it's important to clarify and cleanse your hair on a regular basis as opposed to continually moisturizing and half cleansing. It just depends on what you like to do. Every natural, in my opinion, should have a truly cleansing shampoo in their arsenal. So again, if you want to try it out, I definitely would recommend it. I think it's a great shampoo. I think it's a great product. I didn't really have anything negative to say about it. That's it. That's my honest opinion. I feel like it's really easy to review a shampoo because it's just like, how do you feel? How does your hair feel? It feels like this. Cool. Now for the giveaway. just be a subscriber, okay? Be a subscriber and have your post notifications turned on and set to all, please and thank you. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you will or you won't be trying this product, and if you already have purchased from her collection already, as in Melanin Hair Care itself. That could be the headscarves, the hat, the conditioner, the butter. Let me know if you tried anything from her collection and if you'll be trying this product out, okay? That's it. Subscribe, notifications turned on, comment down below and let me know those two things. If you want to have an extra entry and if you are an Instagram user, go over to my Instagram and follow me at KandidKinks. That's simple. If you do follow me at KandidKinks, leave your @ name in your comment. That's it. I'm gonna give you guys a week to enter the giveaway, and that's it. That's it. Hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Leave down below any other reviews you want me to do. I'm trying to get back into reviewing things on a regular basis. So yeah, that's it. I have a few more reviews lined up. Stay tuned for those. Bye guys.
Piece of heaven.